What we want to have happen is that those muscles that are around this get really relaxed, more like that. So as he brings his head down, that windpipe is going to free up. You see? Ah, there we go. Now that's pretty nice. But when his head gets up, this gets tighter and tighter.
He likes that.
Yeah. But see, he doesn't understand what that means. Now, there we go, buddy. Good job. When he was standing there, he's pretty good. But when he starts moving his feet, it's really hard to get him to be responsive with his head. And he doesn't know how to bend very well. Okay? So when I get in the saddle, I really want my horses to be pretty light. So what I'm going to do is, before I even get in the saddle, I'm going to ask him, could you bend over here to my left, like that? And hold it without me holding you. Okay? Shall I go to the other side? And I'll ask him to bend over here to the right. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. What's your name, everybody?
Jane.
Jane?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to start a little project here, and he's going to get a hand code. All right? So you can leave your rope there, and I want you to come up to his left shoulder and head. The other left shoulder. This way. All right. So, ever get a massage? For attention?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Surprising.
Okay. Have you ever noticed that they never just have one hand on you?
Probably more square footage.
There's a continuity that runs through your whole body, and so whatever they put in comes out. You see, and then you can recycle that. So when I come up to a horse, notice both my hands are moving. Right? That's because my other hand's on my horse somewhere. If something happens, this guy goes to move, my hand that's on him all the time is going to feel that, and he's going to warn me. It also kind of stabilizes him and says, hey, stay still. If his left hand is still, stay still. I'm going to rub you with this hand, but this hand means stay still. Okay? I'll go away. Okay, so when you come up, one hand makes contact, and the other hand starts stroking it. Okay? I want you to find a spot that he likes. So he's out in the pasture, right? Does he have another horse that the mutual groomer?
Well, I don't know. He does.
Okay.
Well,
You
he
know,
was laying.
okay.
And
So when those guys groom each other, where do they groom? Have you watched them?
no. Because he's only been here 4 weeks and I haven't been. And
Okay.
at the other facility, he was never allowed to be.
A horse.
But he had a friend, Maddie's other horse, George, and they would pick at each other's blankets and and faces and manes.
Okay, that's
over the-
plain.
Yeah, it
But
wasn't.
grooming.
No
Okay,
grooming.
now, so, when other horses groom, watch him right here. Does he like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then watch him. Does he like that?
Yes, it does.
Now, why did I know that? Because that's what horses do. Right? Now, they do it with their teeth. So when you come in there, it's not like you're going to go like this. You're going to go in like their teeth. And you go right there, and when he comes up with his head, you're going to say, yeah, but don't move him right away. Okay? Go ahead. Oh, good, good. Now go to that spot on the rump. He kind of likes that better from you, doesn't he?
I think he does.
Yeah. Okay, now leave and listen to what he does. Just leave. Not much of a change, right?
No.
Okay, so Betsy, she's gonna come in here and she's gonna start at the shoulder. And then after about a minute of scratching him on the shoulder, you'll move to the back and you'll take over somewhere in the front. But you both be on the same side. Like where you're coming in. You'd watch him so you would. Because sometimes when they don't know what to do, they get a little bit too aggressive. Okay, now you move to the back and then Betsy can come in. You're both gonna work on him at the same time. Oh, that's pretty good, isn't it? See, now he's caught. He said, I really want to look outside, but this feels too good to do that. Now you guys leave. Okay, then let's start at the front again. But you let him know that you're coming in there ahead of time because he's looking the other
Oh,
direction.
he's looking at my husband and all the stepdaughter.
Okay,
He comes out and feeds them all the time.
there. Okay, now Bessie can come in as you go to the back now, Jane.
Why don't you guys come around to this side?
Ready, Shauna? Shauna, you're gonna come up to the other pool. Now, if there's trouble, you guys just kind of head that way, and I'll try to take him backwards.
Okay.
See how tight that under part of the neck is?
Should I do anything about that?
I'm sorry?
Or should I do anything about that? Can I ask him to lower his head or?
Well, at this stage, not. We'll just kind of keep track of it.
There we go.
Good, there you go. Okay, now it gets really relaxed. Right now, when it gets relaxed, then I'd go, hey, this is what it feels like when you're relaxed. Okay, then I'd move it on purpose. Now leave. Guess what? Now he misses you. See, a minute ago, he wasn't, you guys would leave, his it went. Like, he didn't expect you to come back, did he? Okay, so, start at the front again. And then after just a few seconds, Betsy, you can go in there. As soon as that's. Go ahead, John. Good. Now leave. See, as soon as you left, that left ear tipped back and was like, why'd you leave? Okay, now the two of you can go up at the same time. But you be careful coming up at the back end. There you go. Ah, head's starting to come down on its own now. Okay, now you step back and I'm gonna have him lead with me. Now, as I come in, Jane, you'll come in to meet him, and he'll actually come to a stop from you wanting to scratch him. Okay, you ready? Go ahead. See that? I didn't ask him to stop. Okay, then Betsy, you'll go in. And Shauna. So when you leave, kind of keep track of his ears and his eyes, where he's leaning, what he's thinking. There, he's starting to relax a little bit. See that nose start to move? Good. I just ease away from him. I'll leave. So Shauna, you'll come up at the same time as the other person on the other side comes up. So you're going to kind of catch him in between the two of you. See him looking for you now? Right there? Right? See, he's starting to think that you guys are all right. Go ahead. Come on.
all of us at the same time?
Yeah. There you go. See, everything was fine until that point where three of you touched him at the same time. Now everything's getting fine again. There you go. Now when he puts his head down like that, I just go over his neck. Yeah, you just kind of hang on to him like that. And teach him to snuggle.
His spot is right near
Right by his tail.
Yeah. He likes it. He likes it.
Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna leave, and I'll leave too.
I think he was gonna lean on me.
Now, when horses get groomed, they typically do a mutual grooming. One horse doesn't stand there and do all the work, and then the other one just be the receiver. You see? So now he's thinking about 'cause when
Who
we
he's gonna groom.
It's totally different, isn't it? See, I don't even have to think about stopping anymore. He just comes over here and says, "Hey, I'll just stay here, and then those guys will come in and rub on me." Jodelle, you wanna go over on Shauna's side? There you go.
They were really inflamed. It's more good use of.
So what he's trying to do there, Jane, is this mutual grooming thing. He's trying to help you. He'd like to groom you, but you'd have to say, well, yeah, but that doesn't work.
Yeah.
Let me do all the grooming, and you just be the receiver. There you go. See the eye starting to change?
Yes.
Yeah, somebody found a spot. Good. Seems like a lot of money to pay somebody to show you how to groom a horse.
It's worth it. This is well worth it.
Now you leave, and we'll see what he does, what he thinks about that.
Hey.
That was pretty good stuff for him, right? Where he got more out of it than he had to put into it. Typically, that's not been his life, right? More was asked than was put in. We're wanting to put some good stuff in so that we can get some even better stuff out. But with these horses, really, you can't get out something that you don't put in them. If you don't spend some time with them and do some rubbing on them and work with them, you can't expect them to do those things.